Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at the all-new Victory Red 2021 Stealth Nomad 22FK. We'll go ahead and start off right here at the front of the unit. You do have some storage space here, and in this panel right here is your battery and your water tank. This unit is a V-nose, making it more aerodynamic. It's got a large lighted and power awning, outdoor speakers, TV mount, cable and satellite hookups, and an outlet. Nice large ramp door. Go ahead and take a look inside. So right at the front of the unit, you do have your kitchen space. So you've got a radio here, your fuse panel up top here. You do have a high point microwave cabinet there. Large single basin sink. Does have a pull down sprayer. And over here you do have a two burner Dynamax cooktop. There's also a nice little Dynamax refrigerator, and it does have a freezer portion. There's also another cabinet underneath the sink. Over here is your bathroom. So of course you got your toilet, a medicine cabinet, and a large shower stall. Right outside of your bathroom, you've got your TV and your furnace up top. It does come with a spare tire. It's got 3 Z-tracks from the main entry door here all the way back almost to the ramp door. And then there are 4 D-rings, 2 up front and 2 in the back. It does have the Nomad seating. So with this seating, you can sit it like this, or you can fold it flat. You can use it as a bed, or you can fold it up against the wall so that you can allow more space to pull in something in here. These windows are tinted, which makes it a little bit cooler in here when it's super hot outside, but they also have the blackout curtains that roll down and snap in place. You have a Happy Jack bed as well. This will come down pretty low so that you can use it as a bed, and then you can run it up to have more space to pull something in here. There's also vents, one in the front, up front, and one back here. These vents allow you to, when you have them open, when you're running down the road and you have a side-by-side or something in here, you can air out the space so that it doesn't smell like gas when you walk in the unit. If you'd like to check this out, come see it at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.